Living in Dubai's vibrant city often means making the most of cozy spaces. Today, let's unlock curtain ideas that transform small living rooms into stylish, spacious sanctuaries. But tip 1, always hang your curtains high and wide. Floor or ceiling curtains and light, breezy fabrics instantly make your room feel taller and airier. Sheer or linen textures and soft colors help small spaces breathe. Tip 2, embrace neutral tones, beige soft grays. Pastels can visually expand your space and blend seamlessly with your interiors. Keep it simple. Less contrast means more spaciousness. Tip 3, try blackout curtains with style. Choose soft matte finishes that offer privacy and light control without overpowering the room. Enjoy the perfect balance between function and luxury. Tip 4, add vertical patterns. Subtle vertical lines or soft stripes naturally draw the eyes upward, making your space taller and more elegant. Just remember, keep patterns minimal to avoid visual clutter. Tip 5, layer your curtains. Pair your curtains with blackout drapes for flexibility. Soft daylight when you want it, total privacy when you need it. Layering adds depth, style, and complete mood control. And here's the best part. At Atlantis Curtains, we offer custom-made curtain solutions for every home, no matter how small your space is. Our experts measure, design, and install curtains that fit your home perfectly all across Dubai. The small spaces deserve big style. Book your free consultation with Atlantis Curtains today and discover curtains that make your home feel truly yours. Atlantis Curtains, designed for Dubai living.